Have you ever questioned the nature of reality and our understanding of it? We navigate this world with a certain perception, a certain grasp of what we believe to be true. But what if there are deeper truths, hidden layers of reality waiting to be discovered? High magic serves as a conduit to these concealed dimensions, offering a path towards the unraveling of these enigmas. Embarking on the journey of high magic initiation is the first step towards uncovering these mysteries. The journey into high magic begins with an inner awakening, a call towards hidden knowledge and universal truths. This is not a casual decision, rather, it's an undeniable pull from within, signaling readiness to embark on a profound spiritual journey. It's like the dawn of a new day, a stirring of the soul, an irresistible longing for the mysteries of the universe. Before one can step through the door of initiation, there is a period of preparation, a time of deep study, reflection, and personal purification. This preparatory phase is crucial and is designed to align the neophyte with the spiritual energies they will soon embrace. It's like tuning a musical instrument, ensuring it's ready to produce the most harmonious sound. During this time, the future initiate is called to delve into ancient texts, meditate, and cleanse their mind, body, and spirit. This is not a journey to be rushed, for each step holds important lessons and experiences that shape the initiate's path. Preparation is the first key to unlocking the door to the realm of high magic. Initiation rituals in high magic are as diverse as the traditions that practice them, yet they all share common elements. The symbolism that threads through these ceremonies is profound, often involving themes of death and rebirth, signifying the end of one's old self and the birth of a new, spiritually attuned being. This is not merely a symbolic death, but a transformation that penetrates to the core of the initiate's existence. The ritual can also encompass physical and psychological tests, presenting challenges that push the individual's boundaries and facilitate growth. Such trials serve to fortify the initiate, equipping them with the resilience needed on this spiritual journey. Alongside these tests, the initiate often takes oaths of secrecy and loyalty, underscoring the gravity of their commitment. In the culmination of the ceremony, hidden knowledge is revealed to the initiate, illuminating the path ahead. These rituals mark the transformation of the initiate, preparing them for a new life of spiritual awareness. Initiation marks a profound personal transformation, a spiritual awakening. It's like the dawning of a new day, where the world you thought you knew is bathed in a new light. Imagine seeing the universe not as a chaotic, random expanse, but as a harmonious symphony of interconnected energies. That's what happens when you're initiated into high magic. Your perception shifts, your understanding deepens, and you find your place within the cosmic dance. This awakening, however, doesn't come without responsibilities. With the knowledge of high magic comes the duty to use it wisely, ethically. It's like being handed a powerful tool. You must learn to wield it not just for personal growth, but also for the common good. This is where discipline, continuous study, and ritual practice step in. They serve as guiding lights on this path, helping you navigate this new reality. Remember, initiation is not an end, but the beginning of an extraordinary journey. The path that follows initiation is infinite, with no endpoint in spiritual learning and exploration. This journey is not a sprint, but a marathon, a lifelong quest that carries you into uncharted territories of self-discovery and cosmic understanding. As an initiate, you're not just a student, but a pioneer, a trailblazer venturing into the profound depths of the cosmos. Every step forward brings new revelations, new wisdom to be deciphered and integrated. You come to understand that enlightenment is not a destination, but a process of continuous growth, of ceaseless exploration, of constant transformation. But this journey is not to be walked alone. As an initiate, you become part of a wider community, a network of seekers united by a common quest. Your new knowledge and experiences are not only for personal enrichment, but also to be shared. You are expected to contribute to your spiritual community, to support others on their path, to spread the light of wisdom you've gathered on your own journey. Remember, the path of an initiate is not one of selfish pursuit. It's a path of service, of mutual upliftment, a path that seeks not only personal enlightenment, but the enlightenment of all. Initiation into high magic is a portal to a deeper understanding of life and oneself. a lifelong commitment to spiritual growth and the pursuit of truth. So, as you stride forth on this infinite path, remember, you are a seeker, a contributor, a beacon of light on the journey to enlightenment.